What's the deal, y'all? It's your girl Cam with 2 M's, not one, and I'm back. And I'm better. What's the deal, y'all? It's your girl Cam with 2 M's, not one, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing my lace wig. The wig that I have, oh, I think I broke the toilet. The wig that I have is this, this thing is a 24-inch body wave lace front from Anicekiss. I'll be putting the box, the little thing, and the thing, and the thing with the thing. I don't know. But we're gonna get right into the video because today I am going to Orlando and I have to get ready. So let's just talk.
What's up, y'all? So right now I'm just using some Got To Be Ultra Glue to slick back my edges. As you can see, I'm just taking a little bit, slicking them back. I don't know why this junk look like this, but I'm just slicking them back, you know, a little quick little 1, 2, and after I slick them back, I take some Got To Be Glue, the spray, and spray them on there and blow dry them so they don't go nowhere. Because I know, sometimes when I put that cap on, the edges like to magically say, hey, no, stay in your place. Stay where you're at. So now, as y'all can see, yeah, this is me right now. Just blow dry my hair, making sure it's doing what it needs to do. So as y'all can see right now, I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. So now I'm taking this beige stocking cap, and I like the beige ones instead of the, regular little natural skin tone ones because it make the makeup show up better. So yeah, I'm just taking it and stretching it all the way down on my face, all the way, because I gotta get the cap as thin as possible. Talk about your mama, not me. And don't talk about the way I sound either, because your girl's sick and got COVID and I'm doing this. Really, my boyfriend's supposed to do this. So now y'all see I'm cutting a hole in my ear so my ears can breathe. Girl, you look dumb. Whatever. Cutting the other side, gotta make sure, both of my ears breathe and, because they can breathe. And yeah, just cut the ears.
Okay, boom. It's big spin. I'm taking over. Hey, oh. Okay. So, now we cutting the holes in the eyes. Boom. Okay, Cam. Now you know. Okay, we're using bond hold. Now we're gonna bond hold the wig cap to the forehead. Yeah, like that right there. No, you got bond hold. Hold. Man, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, you're gonna go around the hairline just like that right there. And then you gotta do the other side. Like that right there. Yeah. Kim got an egghead, so So, once you put the bond hold on there, you're gonna get the comb and you're gonna spread it out. Y'all have to spread it out so it will dry evenly, because if not, you're gonna be waiting 3 years for the white to dry, and it's just not gonna never happen. So yeah. Now we got the blow dryer and we drying it. Yeah. Like that right there. Now we got the wig. Yeah. Now we're putting makeup on the wig cap because, us brown ladies gotta, make our wig cap brown so it still gives scalp. Now she's showing her ugly behind boyfriend. Ugh.
My man fine every day.
Okay, so once you finish spraying that on there, you gotta spray the got to be glue all around, just to set it, you know what I'm saying? Now Cam trying to wig on to see, if she cutting up, where she gotta cut the wig cap at. And just making sure everything look good and everything. Yeah. Now she's taking it back off, and she's gonna start cutting the wig cap. So, in the back, it's always like an extra piece of wig cap. So now she's just tying it in the back of her head so it wouldn't show. Now Cam is putting the glue around the perimeter. That's a whole lot of glue, Cam. Okay, boom. So now you have to spread it out. Once again, you got to make sure, that it's even. Okay, so once you spread it all around, you have to dry it with the blow dryer, and you want to wait until it turns clear. And do another layer. And then repeat the same process all over again. Okay, boom. So now we're going to pull the lace down and line it up with where we put the glue at. And get your comb and comb it in to make sure the glue is actually setting all the way in the lace. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now she's just cutting it in different sections because that kind of...
Don't hit me!
So she's just making sure it fits around the ear, and so that's like
important part. Now she's just cutting the lace around the perimeter. You kind of want to do it jagged so it won't look like a lace, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, boom! Whoa! Yeah, edges done, hair laid, all that. I don't know why she ain't show y'all that, but you know, she still did it. Nah. Okay, boom. She put in eyeliner in the eyeballs, you know what I'm saying? Got the mink. Use the end of the comb to put the glue on there. You know, we use that hair glue. Yeah. And you look at that. Yeah, transforming from a hooligan to a bad girl. Ow. Just putting some powder. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Dang. Mm-hmm. She look cute.
You look like your mama, Cam. Oh, boom, y'all. Now she having a hard time biting the stuff off the lip gloss, but you know, she gonna get it in a second. Okay, boom. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, big spin out there,
Mama D.
big spin out this thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope you like comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. She finna start talking with her little ugly stuff in a minute. Yeah, bye.
This is the final look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what videos y'all want to see me do and who y'all want to see me doing with. And let me know if y'all like these type of videos. Okay, let me stop. I'm feeling myself. Alright, y'all. I'm out.